We're back at the ranch. Today, we are testing out a new generator. In the last videos, you've seen that we had our Westinghouse 12,500 watts, 9,500 peak tri-fuel portable generator powered by propane, natural gas, as well as gasoline. All right, let's try. We have temporarily set this up here. I'm gonna turn this on. Another circuit here at the front. Yay! Oh yeah! And then the other one right there at the back. Woohoo! Well, it was very noisy. It's really good when we're using powerful tools or during the daytime. But I was telling Jack, I don't know if I can sleep at night with that generator. I don't know if it's because we just didn't have enough insulation yet at that time. But I wanted to test out if our Ecoflow generator will work in this cabin. I asked one of our electrician friend,
how do I connect this Ecoflow? What kind of cord?
And he gave me the exact specific cords to buy so that we can connect our Ecoflow to our cabin. So, first up, here's our Ecoflow Delta Max 2000. The Ecoflow Delta Max 2000 has 2,400 watts of AC output. It can be charged in less than 2 hours using your solar panel, or it can be charged at home or from your car. It can power up to 15 devices all at once. Now, we're testing this out with just the lights. In the next videos, we'll show you if this can power up a lot of appliances, as they said. So that is a really good portable generator and quite heavy. Can't lift it up, but it is very, very useful here at the ranch. But we've never used it in the cabin because we didn't have the wirings before. So he told me to buy this 15 amp extension cord. Then we bought an adapter that has a 50 amp female plug and a 15 amp male plug. Then we connected that to the inlet box and then connected the other side to our extension cord, which is connected to our generator. And look, guys. And look, it worked. So we have light. And of course, you'll see all the mess over here. We'll be camping in here tonight because there's just no hotel available. And you know what? We're just going to clean this up a little bit, remove all this trash, and then we're gonna blow up our air mattress and sleep here. That's the fun, but it works. So excited about that. Really works. There you go. Good deal. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, Cali Kids, go country.